Are you looking for the best accessories for your NTM portable roll former? Then watch this video. This is Tom from New Tech Machinery. In this video, we'll cover the accessories that impact performance on the SSQ Multi-Pro, SSH Multi-Pro, and SSR Multi-Pro Junior roof panel machines. What you really need, why they matter, and how easily they can be retrofitted if you don't add them from day one. Let's get into it now. Let's meet the machines and what they're built for. Next, let's talk coil handling, because you can't form panels without safely and efficiently feeding coil into the machine. A dual overhead reel stand is a popular choice for SSQ and SSH, and it comes standard with the SSR machine. It holds up to 2 coils above the machine at up to 3,000 pounds each, which makes color or gauge changes quick and keeps big jobs moving. If you start with a freestanding decoiler, you can always retrofit the overhead stand later. For implant setups, a freestanding decoiler is a great fit across all 3 machines. It sits on the floor, handles coil up to 5,000 pounds, and feeds the machine from the rear. If you move from trailer use to an implant production setup or need heavier coils, you can add one later without issue. Expandable arbors are also universal across the SSQ, SSH, and SSR machines. They slide into the coil's core and expand to lock it in place for smooth, secure feeding. They're easy to add as you scale. Start with 1 or 2 and add another to keep multiple coils ready. Next, controllers and automation. Accurate lengths, less waste, and easier operation all start with the right controller. Automation can unlock features like notching and hot melt sealant interfaces. Manual controls, i.e. our limit switch, come standard with all 3 machines. They're simple and effective if you're running shorter batches and don't need advanced programming. A PLC controller is standard on the SSH. It lets you program panel lengths and batch runs for better precision and productivity. Note that the PLC is not offered on the SSR machine. For the SSQ, the unique automatic control system is the top-tier controller with advanced diagnostics, ideal for complex projects, and it's required if you want to add notching and angle slitting to the machine. If you're starting with the SSR, consider the Easy Counter upgrade. It provides more accurate lengths than a basic limit switch, helping you save material and time. You can upgrade most controllers after purchase, but there are important limits. Notching only works with the SSQ and the unique controller, and notching cannot be added to an existing SSQ, and angle cutting is only available on the SSQ machines that are previously equipped for notching. Next up, runout tables. Runout tables keep your finished panels from falling, bending, or getting scratched as they exit the machine, and they make it easier to run panels with a small crew. The SSR Multi-Pro Junior includes 20 feet of runout tables as standard equipment in 2 10-foot sections. SSQ and SSH users can add as many 10-foot sections as needed, and up to 5 tables store on the side of the reel rack for transport. They're fully modular, so you can retrofit anytime. Just bolt on more sections as your panel lengths grow. Pro tip, even for short panels, at least one 10-foot section is worth it, as it protects finishes, prevents floor damage, keeps panels level, and makes solo operation much easier. Next up, trailers and carts. If you plan to fabricate at job sites, you'll need a purpose-built trailer. If you're strictly in shop, a cart can be the better fit for you. Our 12,000 pound capacity tandem axle trailer works with the SSQ, SSH, and SSR. It includes electronic brakes, a breakaway kit, 4 independent jack stands, crane lifting eyes at each corner, and scrap trays to catch tailings at the shear end. It's an NTM compliant trailer as well. You can add the trailer later. Just plan on having a crane or forklift, And don't store your machine on a wooden pallet in the meantime. At minimum, mount it on a cart. For implant setups, stationary or mobile carts are ideal and pair well with freestanding decoilers that we previously talked about. They include mount feet and casters, but they are not designed to support the weight of the machine with the dual overhead reel rack on top, so use a freestanding decoiler instead. Switching from a cart to a trailer later is also doable, though it requires some lifting logistics. Next up, covers and protective gear. Protect your investment. A fitted cover keeps your roll former clean, dry, and shielded from rust, dust, debris, and moisture that can lead to electrical issues. We offer machine-specific fitted covers for all of our panel machines, made from K-Tex heavy-duty, boat cover style synthetic canvas and tailored to fit each model. There's no install, just drape it on. You can add the cover at any time and it'll save you headaches and downtime in the long run. Finally, notching, hot melt, and other upgrades. Let's wrap up the specialty upgrades that can level up your production. Notching and angle slitting are SSQ only features. They're ideal for complex hips, ridges, and panels that need factory finished notches. Notching requires the unique controller and must be ordered pre-production. It can't be added to existing machines. Angle slitting mounts at the exit end and can be added later if needed. A hot melt pump interface is also available for SSQ and SSH machines and is great for low slope roofs that need internal seam sealant. You'll purchase the interface from New Tech Machinery, and the hot melt unit itself is sold through Hot Melt Technologies. Extra rib rollers let you add pencil ribs, striations, or beads to the panels. We recommend buying a rib roller frame for each tooling set to save labor and to make storage easier. Hand seamers are helpful for manually closing seams on mechanically locked panels. Both rib rollers and hand seamers are easy to add later as job specs demand. So, how important are accessories? They're not luxury add-ons. They're essential to making your operation easier, faster, and more profitable. From controllers that automate batch cutting to reel stands that speed up coil changes, the right accessories help you get the most out of your SSQ, SSH, or SSR. The good news is that most options can be retrofitted, so you can start simple and scale as your business grows. If you want a full breakdown, check out this article right here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.